Wena kunento lokuyenza and ulokucansa ngazi all along and I've been keeping quiet for way too long. Each and every time keep izisu.
Ow.
Listen, ngibuye emakhaya manje and you don't know what they told me. And the worst part nalapha engikhona. Yeah, it's fine even if you can sing up. Ibhlungu letho lesho. Mina I'm taking care of you your two kids. Ngithanda unabantwana bakho and ngiyabanakekela. Usihle uyangithanda la ngimenzela everything Mr. Crash ngimenza ukid uzongenza kanje wena. Everything inesiko. Labantwana labo lokubachiza so I'm telling you and I'm warning you. Izokulandela in the future. Maybe now you don't say anything but
why are you taking out abantwana bakhe?
Because I don't want more kids and I don't know how to tell this boy this guy nicely.
Wait.
I'm giving you 3 months of this relationship. After 3 months, if you don't get pregnant, it's a done deal.
Ungamkhwaza balela ngoba vele uyangithola. No ngisamele bafulana umduduzi guys but into yakho iyangithasha bafethu I don't wanna lie ngiyazibuza ukuthi kanjani ngapha umjita uyanakekela izingane zakho uyazi ukuthi sometimes khona amanye amadoda ukuthi mayekuthola ku relationship no like niba ku relationship ekuthola unezingane wena evele engayithandi ingane efuna ukuthanda mara ukawu is doing his best ukuthi ay.
What's wrong?
No, relax, baby.
Hello, sis, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
My name is Lavas from Josie Pescop. This is crew, Mr. Jones and Blexin.
What's the problem?
Yeah, that's why we are here. He's gonna explain why we are here. Because we are not fighting with you. It's just that we need to.
So why you bring cameras if you're not fighting? What's all this?
Why? Because of this attitude.
Oh,
Yes.
oh.
Okay, can
My
you listen?
attitude today.
Can you
All
listen
right.
to him to do that, at least? Because he's the one
Speak,
that called
you
us.
famous what camera speak.
Are
Let
you
me hear
ready to
you.
listen now?
Yeah.
Okay, lalela.
All right.
Uyazi why ngila ne. Wena kunento lokuyenza and ulokucansa ngazi all along and I've been keeping quiet for way too long.
Yini.
Uyazi ukuthi wena each and every time keep izisu.
Ow.
Ungafuni ngikuprovela please. Ungalokuphika.
Ow.
Yeah, akukhona nokukhuluma. When you see and listen, ngibuye emakhaya manje and you don't know what they told me and the worst part nalapha engikhona. Yeah, it's fine even if you can sing up. Ibhlungu letho lesho. Mina I'm taking care of you your two kids. Ngithanda unabantwana bakho and ngiyabanakekela. Usihle uyangithanda la ngimenzela everything Mr. Crash ngimenza ukid uzongenza kanje wena. Awufuni umntanami yini wangenza so? Why wenza so?
So, Chantel, why are you doing this to my brother? Because he told us that
you know what,
you have your own kids, right?
Yes.
How many are they there?
There are 2.
Oh, okay. So
and
why?
it's fine. He's taking care of them. They are our kids now. So why do I have to bring his kid?
Oh,
yeah.
But angibafuna abantwana. Hello, ngumzulu. Hello.
Mara sisi, you are not fair.
But he knows what he signed up for. I told him from
So
the start I don't want more
did
kids.
he sign up for you to do abortions and stuff?
Well, I had to do it, isn't it? I told him from the start I don't want angifuna abantwana bakho.
Awufuni for manje is fine. Mina ngilodo umzulu everything inesiko. Labantwana labo lokubachiza so I'm telling you and I'm warning you. Izokulandela in the future. Maybe now you don't say anything but mark my words. In the near future izokulandela.
But why? Okay, sisi, tell me.
Wait, I want to hear why did you have to go and fetch cameras? Why couldn't you just ask?
Each and every time ngizama ukukhuluma nawe uhlezi ufuna ukuba.
Don't point me. Don't point me, my sister.
Each and every time angithona uhlezi uthemba ukuthi wena uyakhona ukukhuluma wena. Angiphikisani nawe. So in order angithi ne-family yakho awufuni si involve it's fine. It's also fine. So maybe iJosie Pescop izongisiza.
So what are they gonna do about it?
No.
What are you guys gonna do? What
you see, we came humbly to you.
Okay.
And you seem like
but
you are fighting with us.
You're making me angry now.
Why are you angry?
Why couldn't he just come and speak to me?
Why are you taking out these abantwana bakhe?
Because I don't want more kids and I don't know how to tell this boy this guy nicely.
Wait, do you love him?
Yes, I do.
Can you
don't you know?
I know he doesn't.
Maybe I used to know.
So define love for me. What do you love about him? That he's taking care of your kids.
And of me.
Your relationship is about you.
It's all about you. Yes.
No.
I told you yesterday. I told you.
No, that's not the thing. I just don't want more kids. We're fine like this. I'm not
so
fine.
you still
just say you are fine. You are fine. I'm not fine with you. If I was fine with you, I was not gonna call these people to come out here.
You still want kids. So what are you gonna do about that?
And listen, Chantel, because I don't wanna lie. I love you, and then like ngakuthanda
Now
from
you
the first
love
day.
me.
Oh, ngengayeka ukuthanda.
Oh.
And listen, yabona after because ngiyakuncanywa ne. Yeah. I'm giving you 3 months of this relationship. After 3 months, if you don't get pregnant, it's a done deal. It's over for me and you. Lento lo lokuyenza izokuhunta in the near future. I'm telling you, mark my words.
Are you gonna give him kids?
We'll see.
We'll see. No,
We want you to say you see.
We-
Say it in front of
He's
everyone.
giving me 3 months.
No, we are giving you.
You will work there 3 months for
I mean,
for the
okay,
kid.
me since we are here now as Joseph Pascope, 3
Yeah.
months is too much. We wanna know,
I want to know now.
Yeah, are you gonna give birth or what? What's that? Oh, you're not sure. My brother,
Yes,
me.
I will. I will.
No, you're still gonna take out.
will. I won't take out anymore. I'm sorry.
Why were you even taking it?
Why?
We'll speak about that maybe
No, what?
when
No.
we're alone.
We wanna know why.
Why you want all these people want to-
Everyone wanna know.
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Why were
are
you
so
taking
why
out?
did you even do that from the first place? When's the land?
Why?
I didn't want more responsibilities.
I'm
That's the
working
thing.
here.
Yes.
I'm the man of the. I'm working here. I provide.
I'll be the one that's giving birth.
So?
Not you.
Are you gonna
So-
be supporting? Yimi ngondlayo angithi. So when the only okay ahlahle wena lo ufeyila ukulandela umthetho wami. Mina ezinto
Oh.
sifuna abantwana. And when you
And how many kids do you want, my
neBhayibheli
brother?
liyasho. At least kuye mfethu. Mina Chantel maybe like so not 2 yeah. Let me be.
No, for you, let's not go with what she wants.
I want
Let's go.
two.
You
Now I
want
want
2.
two, man.
Sure.
So you want us to have 4?
Yes. No, he wants to. You guys to have. Yes.
Uko fair man.
Oh,
That's not fair.
Now we can start with 1. We'll see.
No,
Don't say it's fine because we see the
I don't
comment. I don't
believe.
trust- I
no,
also
don't
don't
believe
trust
So
you.
how do you want me to prove to you that it's fine? It's going to happen.
At least give me closure.
Yeah.
were you even doing
Why?
that in the
Yes,
first
at
place?
least.
I was scared of having more. That's why.
So now you're gonna have more. You are no longer scared.
Now I see it's
Why-
it's doing,
why?
it's hurting him. So I'll just.
Is it the
because
first
I
time he
love him,
speaks?
I'll
Is
give
it
him-
is it the first time that he talks about this?
No.
So why now? Because it's not the first time, and even yesterday he says he spoke to you. Me, I don't understand.
Yesterday you came to speak to me. Why today you come with cameras?
Iphele kanjani indaba yezolo? Like sisolve
Yes.
kanjani?
It doesn't matter. We'll solve it,
Doesn't
me and you.
How?
You see into emporanga uhlezi ushiya izinto zilenga sizoyiqeda sizoyikhuluma and then this is yabo manje ngifuna yonke into engiyibuzayo ungiphendule la. Okay, why from the first place
Yes.
bokhipha iziso zami? Zingaki iziso zikhiphiwe?
Yes.
Or
How
ufuna
many?
ngitshele
It was 2 only.
why did you do that?
I was scared to have more
Lapho each and
kids.
every time nginawe uhlezi ngitshela ufuna sibe ne family, but how could you do this?
So did you tell him when you took out?
No, I didn't.
So what do you call that?
This is my body. I don't have to consult with anyone when I do something.
What?
But this is my body. If I feel like I can't.
And I know you're not gonna feel like you want in the next coming 3 months. You're just lying to us.
You
right now.
won't be here, so you mustn't talk.
So that's
won't
why
be
you.
here.
So you want.
won't be
You are
here.
saying yes because you want us to
won't
go.
be here.
Yes,
You
that's the
talk,
reason.
You won't be here.
No, there's
Those are
no
not
way,
nice.
my brother. Me, I don't think she's gonna give birth to you.
You shouldn't think anything, because this is not your business.
Where is your family?
Asindaba yakho.
Where is the indaba yami ke?
ah,
Indaba- Where is your family?
Awufuni ukuthi
It's
ufake
none of
family.
your business.
No, we want
Ungenaphi
you. We want
wena?
you.
Okay, ungenaphi wena?
December, I wanted to go home with you. You said what?
Bro.
Awuzange uzufune nokuhamba.
Yes.
You don't want to meet my family. You don't want me to meet your family. Yini enzakalayo ngawe? Yini?
Why should I go meet your family so far?
Where is
Guys,
your family?
again,
Where is your family?
Oh.
My family live close by. We'll speak about that.
No, can we go and talk to your family
Why
now?
should we go to my family?
Because we wanna be
No.
sure. Until you need to get married, you need to. Then he needs to lobola you in the right manner.
No. You know, we'll speak, me and him.
No, let's speak now. We are here
Ah,
now.
man. Are you gonna give me the kids?
I will.
No, let's go.
Are you sure about
Me,
that?
I want to meet you to meet her family, my
Listen,
brother. Ayikho le
listen
ndaba
to
le.
me.
Yeah, exactly.
Are you listening to him? He's gonna go. That's what I'm telling you. We will speak, man.
When
Isn't
before
it?
ahamba abe sekasheli solution. I wasn't
Yes.
gonna call this guy if
Yes.
ever I knew that me and you were gonna like discuss this out.
And right now-
Ngiyazi.
Right now, there's no solution. We want to meet your family.
Niemand
Let's
gaan my
go to
vir
your
hey fuck jou. Loop. Fuck
Oh, so yeah, we not we ain't loping nowhere. Oh, but Mr. Jones, Blexin.
Hey,
Mamela,
you know why I don't want to.
I don't know.
He's not even a color dust boy, man. You think I must give him children?
What?
Hey, fuck off. Hey, loop.
He's not even a what?
He's not even a color.
Yima. I'm Mr. Jones. Manje why did we lie?
Woman for the pussy.
Ah no, ngicela umbambe balela. Ngicela umbambe.
Hey, fuck you.
Blexin.
Fuck
No,
you.
wait, now-
Hey,
now
take
tell me
your
some-
cock and go, yeah.
No, ayingazokaka amasimba uwe.
Cock and go, yeah.
Kaka and go wena uwe umele uthathe ikaka yakhe and go. Mr. Blexin, kuyangibamba lokho. Mr. Blexin, ubambe lo mfazi. Wait, come here. Awuze la sisami.
Fuck off.
Come, who must fuck
I
off?
would fuck off.
Who must fuck
I
off?
would gaan.
Khan who?
Hey,
Who must Khan?
Umama angakutholi la mama.
Ngikutshelile ngathi unamanga lona. I told you nje yami ngathi unamanga lona ngeke kuzalele. So because he's not a colored, he's not gonna give birth for you.
Never. Yeah.
So you've been
Because
using
I don't want a Zulu child. Fuck you.
You've been using him when?
Hey, fuck off.
So you are using him. You are using his man. Mr. Blackson.
I said thank you.
Blackson,
Can move.
please. Kunjani kanti lokho? Oh, uyadelela wena. No mfethu, no, let's say a package lo. No, asimncede.
Akaphume la kithi.
No, singamncedi ukuthi package balela ngiyacela. Ungazi bale.
Hello.
You still young.
Chantel.
You still young.
Yeah,
you still young.
Fuck off.
Mr. Jones, please help her to package. There's no way. We can't leave her here. Hey, when now Mr. Jones is helping you to package lapho. So sizova ngawe kanti la. No, bale ngibonile lo ngikutshelile mina mangifika ngathi something is not make sure. I could tell ukuthi uvuma kuphela ngoba ufuna sivayo.
Uzoba namabhadi. Yazi emfethu inkolelo moyo mokhipha isisi kumele uyogezwa. Umntana akagezwa. Anhle kangazi kwenzakala.
No, because maybe angithi ibelief yabo bona bakholela lokho mfethu. Akazi ukuthi kunezinye izinto ukuthi ziyenzeka in African uyangithola. Ngoba manje uyabo and asimjudge for lokho mara simjudgela ukuthi why ezodlala ngawe for 4 years balelami.
Akaphumi.
Doka ngeke. No, angeke simshiye la nto. You are still young, une future bale khona umuntu obukele nalapha ku Jozi Bioscope manje, you can get a wife. Ngeke balela ngiyacela if you need to call your family ngicela bafonele ngiyacela doc
manje.
Yeah, fonela ifamily yakho batshela ukuthi lento lena ayisasebenzanga and it's not gonna work anymore. No, mara akekho fair bafethu. Yiva uthini? Uthi because he's not a colored. So shoot it all the time uBrian bekazohlala emnakekele taking care of you. Oh, okay. No stress, guys. Because manje, Mr. Jones, we need to get a car, proper car. So we need to consider that motor that side. Sibuye sizomqoqela lo muntu la izinto zakhe. Kubo njengabanje. Angeke edlale lo muntu semusha is still a gentleman akanangane akanafokolo yena unengane ezu2 and he's been taking care of ingane zakhe. For 4 years ingane ezu2 kanti uyazi yena ukuthi udlala ngaye uyahamba yocela amaphilisi lapha uthi imzimba wakhe lona. What do you call that? Angazodlala ngathi siyomqoqisa lo bafethu mangabe unenkinga nawe efana nalo umuntu engafuni ukukuzalela siyacela bafethu lapha emakhaya isi-emailelo jozibioscope.co.za or nisibhalele on social media sikhona all across Facebook, TikTok yonke indawo siyiJozi Bioscope.